Looking for the best monitor for home office for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 monitor for home office that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a monitor for home office that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended monitor for home office. Number 1 on the list is Dell SE2719H. Today, our top pick and winner is Dell's 27-inch monitor. At an affordable price, the LED backlit LCD monitor is an excellent choice for anyone's home office. The full HD monitor boasts a resolution of 1920x1080, an aspect ratio of 16:9, and a contrast ratio of 1001 to deliver high-quality clear and sharp pictures. With a refresh rate of 60 Hz, the monitor is quick and offers seamless transitions between tabs and programs for a comfortable working environment. The fast response time of 5 to 8 milliseconds enhances this too for a quick monitor that will suit your home office well. Dell's monitor offers HDMI and VGA input connectors, allowing you to connect your laptop or PC to the monitor with ease. The monitor does not come with a VESA mount, so you will need to factor the cost of a VESA mount into your budget despite its low price point. The stand the monitor does come with is 10% smaller than its predecessor to offer more desk space and still provides the same sturdiness level. You can tilt the monitor too, allowing you to get the perfect viewing angle for you. And speaking of perfect viewing, Dell's Comfort View feature works to reduce the harmful blue light that can cause eye strain and other side effects. The screen is also flicker-free and anti-glare, which reduces eye strain and allows it to work with ease. Customers loved the monitor, praising the excellent quality for the price. They commented on the monitor's ability to keep the blacks black and was remarkable for streaming videos too. Great for any training videos you might need to watch on a dull Tuesday morning. Second on the list is HP 27-inch FHD Monitor. Another affordable option is HP's 27-inch monitor. The full HD monitor features an ultra-wide 1080p display and resolution that is great to use in home offices. The monitor features a micro-edge display thanks to an extremely thin bezel. You will get an ultra-wide viewing experience that is great for those using multi-screen setups. The monitor is ultra-thin too, saving you precious desk space without compromising on quality. The screen features anti-glare technology that is great for those working with lots of natural light, making it also kind to your eyes and allows you to view the monitor from various angles. HP's monitor additionally uses AMD FreeSync technology, which is excellent for those using their home office monitor for gameplay too. Or maybe that is your job, you lucky thing. The technology allows for fluid and responsive gameplay, enhanced by a fast refresh rate that reduces lag and screen tearing. The monitor features built-in speakers that deliver crisp audio, saving you even more desk space as you won't need to worry about additional speakers with this monitor. You can also adjust the screen, tilt it forwards or backward to enhance your viewing experience. After all, why not be comfortable in your home office? Connecting to this monitor is easy too. With the use of USB connectors, you will be away in no time. There is a good range of these available too, so you can connect your device to your monitor easily. Customers loved the picture quality of the monitor that they found worked well in their home offices. Many customers cited using it as a second screen as part of their home office and found it complemented existing systems nicely. Number 3 on the list is Sceptre E248W-19203R. The most affordable option today is Sceptre's monitor that is sure to enhance your home office. The 24-inch ultra-thin LED monitor features a full HD resolution of 1080p that will make viewing documents or spreadsheets super dreamy. Sceptre's monitor boasts a refresh rate of 75 Hz to deliver fast graphics with minimal screen tearing, great for those who switch tabs often or work with graphics and video editing. It also features adaptive sync technology, closing the gap between your graphics card and monitoring refresh rates to reduce tearing and stuttering further. With a contrast ratio of 1001, the quality of the colors will be excellent. Customers praised the perfect colors, comparing it to other monitors that feature IPS panels. The colors are accurate and will enhance any gameplay or work with videos, photography, and graphics. Some did experience some washed-out colors in certain modes, but issue was not widely reported, so it should not cause you any problems. If it does, it is worth connecting your monitor to your PC or laptop through the DisplayPort instead, as customers who did this reported far fewer issues regarding color washout. The thin bezel and chassis allow for a wider view of the screen that will be great for those working on split-screen tasks. It also provides additional space for those working on videos or scrolling through large spreadsheets. What's great about this monitor is that it is VESA wall mount ready, allowing you to take your monitor to the next level. It's an excellent option for those who prefer working with a monitor on the wall or working in video editing. There are also built-in speakers, great for those who blast music while they work or use sound in their jobs. Customers loved this monitor, praising the noticeable difference in the higher refresh rate. They noticed this not just during gameplay, but the general use of the monitor too. They praised the excellent price of this monitor, with some customers using them for multiple screen setups. Number 4 on the list is Viewsonic VP2785-4K. For those with a larger budget after a fantastic monitor for home office, Viewsonic's monitor is the one for you. The 27-inch monitor features 4K UHD with a resolution of 3840x2160 to deliver lifelike colors. The super clear IPS monitor is an excellent option for editors, photographers, video editors, graphic designers, and more. Viewsonic's monitor features 99% Adobe RGB color accuracy across the entire screen. Using a smooth palette of 439 trillion colors, you get precise and lifelike images displayed on your screen. The monitor features hardware calibration that is quick and easy. The calibration will ensure that the color displayed matches the original file perfectly. No more wondering, is this color right? Not only do you get vivid colors, but the surrounding bezel is also so thin it's barely there and offers more of the screen for you to view. The ultra-wide viewing angles allow you to enjoy the screen, no matter your position, great for those who might share their home office or like to move around the room. Additionally, thanks to the HDR10 content support, you can view videos as they were intended to be seen. The full and immersive viewing experience is why this monitor is an excellent option for film studies or video editors. What's great about this monitor is that it comes with productivity-boosting features that will be a welcome addition to most home offices. The advanced ergonomic design features a built-in ambient light sensor and a KVM switch to boost your productivity. The light sensor is excellent for those of us trying to avoid excessive eye strain staring at screens all day. Viewsonic's monitor features fantastic connectivity too. The monitor supports laptops, PCs, and iOS operating systems. Thanks to its USB 3.1 Type-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, and mini display ports, there is sure to be a connection port for you. You also get a fantastic 3-year warranty with this monitor and access to Viewsonic's US-based customer support. You will have access to support for any queries or concerns you may have. Customers loved the high quality of the monitor, especially those using it for photography work. They found that the color quality was brilliant and delivered crisp text that was great for documents and images alike. Number 5 on the list is Dell P2418HT. For those on a budget, Dell has the monitor for you. It's slightly smaller than others included today, measuring in at 23.8 inches, but don't let that put you off. The monitor boasts a full HD resolution of 1920x1080 using an IPS panel to deliver fantastic visuals. It is the only monitor included today that is touchscreen. Perfect for those who want to get up close and personal with their work. Combined with the ultra-thin bezel and articulating stand, you can create a great workspace. The touchscreen is incredibly responsive, and you can even use it with 2 hands. The anti-glare screen provides edge-to-edge touch capabilities and a view that makes it an excellent choice for artists or designers. It doesn't show fingerprints either, allowing your work to shine through uncompromised. Additionally, Dell uses its TÜV-certified flicker-free screen and comfort view technology to reduce harmful blue light. The reduction allows you to use the screen worry-free and comfortably for extended periods. With over 16.7 million display colors and a pixel pitch of 0.2275 mm, you will experience fantastic graphics. Dell's monitor features a huge contrast ratio of 8:1 for outstanding visuals. Dell's monitor also has a 6 milliseconds response time to allow for speedy images and transferring between tabs. It's also a decent response time for anyone using the monitor for gameplay too. Customers loved this monitor, finding the screen comfortable to work on. They did note that it took a while to get used to the screen's texture, so be sure to allow yourself plenty of time initially to get to grips with it. Just now is a list of 5 best monitor for home office that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.